A very good morning, children, with a new chapter, The Golden Plate, Moral Virtues. So after the story, we have one message which teaches the moral value. So have you ever tell a lie, children? In case something broken by you, something mischievous things you have done, have you accepted in front of your parents, in front of your elders? So this story is about honesty. There is a saying, honesty is the best policy. As we all know, honesty is the best policy. If you say honest, the people who before you or in front of you, they will impressed by you if you say always the truth. Do you know Gandhi ji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale ji? They are well known for their honesty. They never speak a lie in their life. They had never speak a lie. They always, Mahatma Gandhi is famous for his honesty. He always speak the truth. He always spoke the truth. So let's have a look on this story. Let us read this story to understand how the saying seems quite suitable for a kind man. So this story is about a kind man. Once you see, have you ever seen like this man who sells things every street, roaming every street to street? Okay, no? So this story is about a man in a small town, man, a peddler who sells things door to door, called a peddler. Peddler means people who sells things going door to door. Peddler. So this story is about a kind man. Let's see. Let me read. So before start the lesson, always I do mention date. You also mention date, and where I stop there also you put mark and mention date. Okay, let's start. In a small town there lived two peddlers. So this story is about a small town. There lived two peddlers, means two sailors. They go door to door and sell things. So two peddlers' name is Pamban and Chandran. So what are the name? Pamban and Chandran are the peddlers. Okay, clear? They were friends. These two peddlers are friends. When we people in same occupation, we became friends. Teacher friend, student friend, isn't it? So two peddlers, they also are two friends. Both sold things made of brass and tin. So they sell the things which is made of brass and tin. To avoid selling them at the same places, they divided the streets between them. So in both the street, in a same street, they cannot sell things, no? They are friends, so they separated two ways. They divided their street. One street, Pamban will go, another street Chandran will go. Clear to you? Hope you understood? They divided the street. For example, in your colony, for example, Srinagar colony, there is so many streets are there, no? Pravina Miss street is another way, my street is another way. So they divided. Pamban will go in my street and another Chandran will go in Pravina Miss street. So clear to you? Once while Chandran was selling his ware, a young girl saw him from her window. So what happened one day? One day, while selling the things, selling the ware means the things which is made of brass and tin. So things that are being sold. So what happened that day? One girl was sitting side by the window. Okay, young girl saw him from her window. So she saw her. So you children, when you saw something comes to your house in front of your door or moving around your street, Definitely you also want to buy something. Want to buy something, and you say to your mother and uncle or father, anyone, to get the things, right? So the child did. So once while Chandran was selling his ware, a young girl saw him from her window. How I wish I could buy a brass hand mirror, she thought sadly. She had lost her parents and was living with her grandmother. So very sad. This girl just lost her parents, means father and mother both are died. So she stays with her grandmother. Okay, she is very sad that she would have bought these things but unable to buy, because she would buy, but she is feeling sad that she lost her parents and she is staying with her grandmother. So video became long, children. I stopped here. Okay, I'll give you some hard words, this snapshot. Okay, you learn and write 2 times, send to me. Okay, bye children.